Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from photo in a second only with Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and sign in and log in with your account. And after that, you need to visit your Instagram story section. You just need to go click this plus button with the blue color right away since you want to access your photo library. And after that, you just need to go click this photo library here, and you just need to choose the picture that containing the emoji that you want to remove. So actually here I already collect several photos that containing the emoji that I got from Pinterest, and let's try to use this picture. And now I already have this, and I will like to resizing this picture just by pinch them so that they will be fulfilling all of the screens here. And let's try to remove this love brown color here. So to remove that, you need to go click these three small dots on the top right corner and go click browse. And now I suggest you to use this pen and adjusting the size by drag this point into the upper side. So now you have a bigger size of the pen. And after that, we need to pick the color by go click this color picker, and after that we need to drag those part into the closest area of the emoji. And after you're done, you just need to start scratching the emoji, and you'll see now those emojis gone. And that's the way, guys, how to remove emoji only with Instagram application. And after that, you just need to save it. So yeah, hopefully this tutorial today is really useful for you guys, and I will see you for the next video. Thank you for watching.